Good morning, everybody. What's up? It's me, Will Brown, CTA, Chief Technical Analyst right here at Quantum Capital Research Group. Just drinking my Thanksgiving latte this morning and really want to hop up here really quick and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Hopefully everybody is spending wonderful, meaningful time and fellowship with family, friends, and loved ones. That's what today is about. It's about giving thanks and appreciation to those that mean something to you in your life. And that's what I want to do really quick is really wish our members at Quantum Capital Research Group a happy Thanksgiving and let you know that I appreciate and thank you guys for following our content, following us. I want to thank our subscribers for subscribing and being a part of our Quantum Capital community. We wouldn't be where we are without you guys. I want to give thanks to you for that. It's really been a year. As of 2 weeks ago, it's been a year since I've actually taken the active role of coming up here, showcasing and demonstrating the value that we add to the trading community from Quantum Capital Research Group. And you guys have been rocking with us. Our membership has grown. Our following has grown on social media. And I just want to thank you guys for that and just tell you that I appreciate you. Real quick on the market updates. Markets are closed today. It's Thanksgiving. But going into from Monday into Wednesday, we had a phenomenal run. The markets have pretty much recovered all the losses that we sustained, that the market has sustained over the last 3 weeks. And we've actually recovered most of our losses in our portfolio too. And I've been saying going into 2026 is going to be phenomenal. So get well capitalized because 2026 is going to be a phenomenal year of trading and asset accumulation. But also for December, man, the Santa rally, I think, is already set itself up. Like I mentioned in my last video, right? The pullback that we had, the anxiety getting worked off in the market coming down. I wouldn't even call it a correction, but the market coming down to the level that it came down to, worked off most of the anxiety. We actually are now factoring in what an 89% Fed rate cut, which the market loved. So hopefully we get a rate cut going into December. We'll know by, I believe, December 10th. But if that happens, that is the setup for the Santa rally. So if you're not a member, become a member of Quantum Capital Research Group because we've already identified high probability trades that we are going to be putting on over the next trading sessions into December that's going to feed into that Santa rally, and that's our mechanism to raise capital into 2026. Like I said, we've been strategizing on what we want to do. We're going to put about keep about 25% of our capital in cash, but the most of that we're going to deploy into the markets because I believe the Santa rally will give us a great boost. I think we can capture anywhere between 15 to 45% returns just in December alone. So if you want to get in on those types of gains, come over to quantumcapitalresearch.com, become a member, take advantage of our 14-day free trial. We give that 14-day free trial so you can use that opportunity to paper trade, follow our trades, right? You're not committed. If you don't see value in what we're doing with our picks, you can cancel at any time. But for the most part, that's not going to happen. I will, at some point in time, post some reviews of our current members and the satisfaction that they have with our platform because we are helping people create, earn, generate additional supplemental income for themselves and their families. That's what this is about. It's about using the stock market to your advantage, using capital that you've earned as a hardworking professional. Put that money back in the market, compound those earnings to generate additional cash flow for you, yourself, your family, to pay bills, pay down debt, take vacations, enjoy, right, and just get ahead. So that's what it's about. I'm excited going into December. I'm excited for 2026. So continue to stick with us. Like I said, it's been a year. My last post I made about 2 weeks ago, a couple days ago, really made it a year. We went back and we said, man, it's been a year since we've been up here calling balls and strikes with the market. And we've had a very good track record so far. If you're new to this channel, you're just now watching this video for the first time, go back. I got a year's worth of content that you can go back and review and you can see the calls we've made, right? You can see where we got it right. You can see where we got it wrong, but you can follow that content We did that very purposefully and very intentionally so you can follow what we're doing. And you know, we're just not selling wolf tickets. We're out here really adding value, making money. We're putting on the same trades you're making. We've showed you our portfolio. We've shown you our gains. We've shown you our losses, right? But if you've been following us since literally last year around this time, you have been a net winner with our trades. And that's only going to compound and amplify and scale up going into 2026 for those that have been following us. So once again, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy it with your friends, your loved ones. Give thanks to them, right? Because this is the time to do it. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will catch up with you guys next week.